Hello and welcome to TastyNow. Let me show you how to create a new recipe. Click Create Recipe. I'll name this one Invert Sugar and add the inspiration source for my notes, Wikipedia. Now go to the first step and enter the instruction, add sugar and water. Click plus ingredient, then search for water. Click ingredient again and search for sugar. I'm going to adjust both amounts to 50 grams to make this demo easier. The units can change at any time, so if you prefer ounces or cups instead of grams, it's just a quick edit. You can also scale your batch size up or down depending on how much you want to make, and the ingredient amounts adjust automatically. The batch units can switch between grams, ounces, what fits your recipe. You can reorder ingredients or steps by simply moving them into place, making it easy to organize your process. New ingredients and steps can be added or deleted at any time, so your recipe evolves as you refine it. When everything looks good, click Save. And that's it. In less than a minute, I've created a complete recipe on TastyNow, ready to use, edit, or scale however you need.